out of 10, okay, the day was good. When young lit, nigga, boy, I know the neighbors know it. Couple trucks sitting outside, but this shit down there every morning. It's before that's how I.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be like a little catch-up video because I know I haven't vlogged in a minute. Yeah, I'm just going to catch you guys up on what's going on right now. So today is the day after Thanksgiving. Today is Black Friday. Also, a couple things have changed like in my personal life. I did sell the AMG and yeah, no, I'm joking. The AMG is actually in the shop right now. The sunroof actually broke on the AMG. Like the sunroof broke on Halloween. My shit's still not fixed and I was trying to move to Dallas, but my AMG is still messed up and I was trying to drive there so I could like carry mad stuff with me instead of flying, but it's still not fixed. But I just got an update today saying like it's about to be fixed, so that's good. Also update in ecom. I am testing out paid ads right now. I'm doing organic as well, but I'm just testing paid ads out. And yesterday on Thanksgiving I actually had my first 1K day with paid ads. I'll pop it up somewhere up there, but yeah, first 1K day with paid ads. I'm running 2 paid ads products right now. Forgot how long I've been trying it. I think it might have been a little bit over a month or maybe 2 months. Forgot exactly. It might have been 2 months, maybe like a month and a half. But I'm not gonna lie, I was literally contemplating dropping the product the day before yesterday, and Thursday I hit my first 1K day with paid ads. So hey, I'm not gonna lie, I was literally about to fucking drop the product and I just hit a 1K day with $150 in ad spend. So that was like a 6 ROAS, so it was good as fuck. But the only thing is that today, bro, I was literally like, okay, Black Friday, bro, I'm about to go crazy. I'm about to, I didn't double the spend, but I scaled it up a little bit, and today's a 0.9 ROAS. So it literally fried it, but that's just a part of the journey, bro. Sometimes shit doesn't go as planned. Like, nothing is really ever that easy as it is, like, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm just about to sit back on it, chill, not gonna do too much, maybe descale or whatever. But yeah, I literally thought I was about to print today. I thought I was about to have like a 4K day today, but shit. 6 ROAS one day. I literally thought today was about to print, but I didn't end up printing. But that's just how business is, bro. Nothing ever goes like 100% the way you thought it was gonna go. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about paid ads or anything, I'm not a genius or anything. I can just join the free Discord and shit, yeah. I'll help you guys out and I'll answer any questions you guys have if I can, you know what I'm saying? I feel like nobody shows like the hard part too. Like, not the hard part, but nobody shows the lows. Yesterday, literally had my first 1K day with paid ads, 6 ROAS, and then today 0.9 ROAS on that specific ASC. But that's just how shit is. That's just how business is. All right, guys, it's the next day, so I'm just gonna give you guys an update on what's going on. So as you guys know, I was literally tweaking on Black Friday because I was not printing at all, and like I was saying how my ROAS went to a 0.9 on the one I scaled on like the campaign I scaled or whatever. As you guys can see, I did all that for nothing because we ended the day at a 1.2K day. And today, I'm gonna try not to leak that much, but we had a 1.5K day. I literally did all that complaining for nothing, bro, because that was literally a record-breaking day yesterday for paid ads, and then today was another record-breaking day. PR's going up and up, but right now, I'm experimenting on some stuff to raise my AOV. Having a 0.9 ROAS, I thought it was cooked, but as y'all saw, yesterday was literally a fucking PR day for paid ads, and then today was also another PR day, 1.5K day. I just launched some new ads, so we're gonna see how that does tomorrow. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm just about to give y'all a little update on the sales and on the store doing and shit like that. I'm not gonna lie, it's doing a lot better. Like, I ain't gonna cabbage. All right, so today I woke up and it was about at like 1.8K rev. It slowed down a little bit, but still my highest day so far for the product, 3.1K revenue. And when I woke up today, was low-key doing good as shit. Like, I think my profit margins was 57% when I woke up. Like, I was up a band in profit, but the profit margins probably went down a little bit because the product kind of slowed down. I have a Cyber Monday sale that's still going on, even though it's like Wednesday right now. It just says like Cyber Monday. I'm not gonna leak everything in it because I'm not trying to dox my store, but yeah, it just basically says Cyber Monday and some more shit. But that's just low-key cooking. But yeah, some sauce though, because I'm about to put my computer down because I came here. Actually, no, I'm not. I was about to leave here real quick, but I'm still about to do some organic work just because even though I'm hitting 3K days with ads, it might even be a 3.5K day because it's like 8 p.m. I'm still like pushing organic because, bro, Facebook organic is literally the method right now. Like, especially December, bro, literally have a chance to hit my first, that sounds crazy, but 100K month, maybe? I don't know. That was my goal, but I don't know if I'm gonna hit it. But shit, 3K days already. Start off December. This day is December 4th, no, 3rd. So we looking good right now. But I'm really trying to push for this PR, my PR. So yeah, my highest month is a 50K month. So shit, if I can hit 100K month. Main reason why I think my product is pushing right now is because I added some new variants that none of my competitors are doing. My AOV, I'm not gonna say my AOV because that's gonna fucking leak the product, but my AOV went up like $7 today on some crazy shit. So that shit's going really well.
because a lot of people are buying multiple of my product now because there's multiple colors. Like people were buying multiple when it was just one color, but now they actually have a reason to buy multiple. You know what I mean? So they can have different types of shit. And my after sales, my post purchase upsells are doing good too. And yeah, that's the main reason. And I low-key got lucky because my supplier had multiple. My supplier had different variants, which I didn't even know. He literally just like put me on, like, yo, I got multiple variants. Like, you trying to sell these too? So I went on ChatGPT. I'm gonna give you guys some sauce. I went on ChatGPT, and then I had ChatGPT redo my product image into the new variant colors too. So now they all look professional and they're all on my website, and all the new variants look good as shit too. Just paid ass journey right now, and still doing organic though. Still got some organic stores to up because I just got my Prime Facebook back, but. Yeah, still don't have my car. The reason why I was like delaying recording this shit is because I wanted to like end the vlog off with me getting my car back. But I still don't have my car, you know what I mean? I'm mad as shit. Like, bro, I literally haven't driven my car in like a month and a half. I just got a ticket too because I was driving my Toyota, bro. Like, I'm literally cooked, but so much has been going wrong. But as you guys can see, the paid ad shit is picking up. I was getting lazy. I was getting comfortable. It's not time to get comfortable, bro. Got to finish out the year strong. So, shit, hopefully I can hit a PR month. Alright, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I was low-key just cooking shit, but it's the next day, and I'm supposed to be getting the car back, but they said again that my car's fucking not ready yet, and that the sunroof isn't even working now. Like, the buttons aren't working, so they have to take it to the Mercedes-Benz dealership, which is so fucking annoying. But I ain't gonna lie, we absolutely are fucking printing. Yesterday was a PR, I forgot to say that, but today might be another PR. Alright, ready? But yeah, today might be another PR. Literally, while I was playing, look at this shit. I don't know if today's gonna be higher than yesterday though. Yesterday was my PR. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay, so today actually might be higher than yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. 0.3 less than yesterday. That's a good ass sign if yesterday was my fucking PR. I'll show you guys yesterday too right now. This is the PR on the store. This was the PR on the store yesterday. Hey, this is what happens though. When you don't got no haircut, you lock in. You know you was really locked in if you did not get no haircut. I don't even think I told you guys why the AMG got fucked up. It was because of Halloween, bro. On Halloween, shit, y'all heard that, but hey, if y'all was on TikTok, y'all know all the kids, or not kids, I don't even know, but they were all posting, oh bro, don't go out for Halloween, bro, this grind. But realistically, bro, you can go out for Halloween, bro, have fun. Tell me why my fucking sunroof got shot up, bro. So that's why the AMG is still getting fixed, because the sunroof got fucked up. But yeah, it was literally a bullet casing inside my car, so then the police had to fucking investigate and like hold my car for ransom. I couldn't even leave, bro. I still gotta pay like $200, but that's not that bad. I had a $200 deductible from insurance. If I didn't get that, I probably had to face like 3 bans or like 2 bans or some shit like that. So I'm glad insurance, I got insurance, but at the same time, I'm paying fucking like $300, $400 a month for insurance. I'm not even driving it because it's been there for like 2 months almost. So I basically just like lit $800 on fire. Like, I'm not tripping about the car payment because I would have to pay that anyways. But the insurance, like, I'm paying insurance and I'm not even whipping it. Like, that's crazy. But yeah, bro, that shit's so annoying. But yeah, right now I'm probably about to head home. I do gotta fucking hire a VA for this store because my last VA for my last store, yeah, I gotta hire a new one. So I had somebody send me theirs, so I'm about to hire them. But yeah, bro, this is the reality of making 10K a day in fucking Northern Virginia, man. Yeah, bro, I just want my car back, bro. But at the same time, you gotta think about it like, at least I have a car, bro. Dead ass. So there's some people that don't even have a car, and I really realize that, like, we are really blessed. Like, if you have a car, bro, you're blessed as fuck. Like, bro, the life of having no car is so ass. Like, bro, you're actually blessed like shit if you have a car. So hey, if you have a car and you're like, damn, I wish I had an AMG, I wish I had a BMW, I ain't gonna lie, I used to think like that, but that's not the right way to think. You gotta be happy with what you have, but still, obviously, you wanna still strive for more. This week, I think I'm up like 60 bands this week, and it's literally the most money I've ever made. On my goals for 2025, I literally had 100K a month, and this whole year, I was far as fuck from hitting 100K a month. Like, every single fucking month this year, I still had hopes, but I never hit it. I was like, damn, maybe it's just not gonna happen. Like, maybe I'm gonna just not hit this 100K a month. And look, the last fucking month of the year, and we're up, I think it's 80K on the month, or like 74K or something like that already, and 60K this week. And probably if we hit last 30 days and we keep on pushing this momentum, shit, I don't even know. But that literally goes to show you that shit, it could be that last second, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter if you don't win in the first quarter. It don't matter if you don't win in the second quarter. It don't matter if you don't win in the third quarter. All that matters is that fourth quarter, bro, because all it takes is one good fourth quarter and you're fucking printing, bro, and then you just achieved your goals. And there was other stuff that I put on my goals and stuff that I wanted to do this year, and then I missed those too. But I ain't gonna lie, with this last this last thing of the year, like I wanted to move out this year. I wanted to cop a whip. I already copped the whip. I wanted to move out. Y'all know I've been trying to move out, but I can't do it without my car. Like, bro, I need my fucking car. So I'm still waiting on that. It's literally crazy what can happen, bro, if you just put your faith in God and then you just keep on doing the movements. Even if you're not making any progress, that's when you're making the most progress. That's the same thing. Like a month ago when I first started paid ads, I was literally obviously I was making no fucking money because I was just starting, but I was working hard as fuck. Like I was doing organic and ads at the same time. I was printing off Facebook organic. I still could print off Facebook organic, but low-key, I do have a private account, so if I see a product I like, shit, I might run it up. But I was literally working hard as fuck. Like I was working OD hard, but I wasn't making that much money. Like, I was doing ads every day, I was doing organic every day, but I wasn't making that much money. But looking back at it, that's the only reason why I'm fucking printing right now. Like that is literally the only fucking reason why I'm printing, is because of those times when I was fucking grinding like shit, making no money. Like literally a month ago, I was going through it like shit, bro. As you guys can see, look what's fucking happening now, you feel me? But yeah, I just want to really just show you guys that anybody that's in a position right now where they don't feel like shit is going their way, to keep fucking going, bro. Like genuinely, please, whatever you do, bro, do not fucking give up, bro, because you will make it, bro. You will make it, bro. You will print. You will hit that 100K month. You will hit whatever you're trying to hit, as long as you don't fucking give up, bro. Because I wouldn't say I was about to give up last month, but bro, I was literally going fucking through it, bro. This is literally the most money I've ever made in my fucking life, bro. And it just happened in a week. Bro, it's happening fast as shit. And the video wasn't supposed to be this long, I'm not gonna lie, but we started hitting 10K fucking days and shit. And I wanted to finish the video out by showing you guys, like, ending the video off in the car, clip farming it obviously today, but we didn't fucking get the car back, bro. So it's all good though, you know what I mean? All right, y'all, it's the next day. I'm not gonna lie, I just had my biggest day in e-com. I'm about to show y'all boys real quick. I had to mute my Shopify notifications, bro, because one, I was getting too much dopamine from them, and two, like, I don't really need them anymore. Like, I already know I'm getting sales. Like, I don't really care for them anymore. Look at that shit, bro. 16K in one fucking day. That's my fucking highest day in e-com. My highest day before this was a 12K, couple 12K days with organic, but paid ads, bro, just had fucking my highest day in e-com, bro. 16K in one day. I'm up like 70K on the week, I think. Literally back to back 10K days. And at the start of this video is literally crazy because I was literally only at what? Like, I was literally hitting $500 days, and I was literally complaining about dropping the product at the start of this video. And now I'm fucking hitting my highest days in e-com, which is insane. Which also should be a reminder to you guys not to fucking quit, because you literally see how fast shit can change. Even if you've been doing paid ads for a year and you still haven't gotten you still haven't gotten success, bro, keep going. You know what I'm saying? You will make it happen, bro. All right, we about to play car roulette. Whoever got to pick their phones gets to pay. We ain't bring our cards. Come on, 3. You can do it for 8. Hey, don't pick mine, bro.
I'm not gonna look.
Oh, who that? Yes.
That's you? That's good. We're not paying today.
Nah, for real. Mine's the green one. He was holding this shit.
I tried to cover it. He lost the whole.
Yeah. Shit, free food, bro. I think it's the next day now, and right now I'm at a little apartment with the bros over there. We getting some work in. It's like a little high class apartment. A little top floor, like a little lock-in spot. Crazy. I mean, yesterday was my highest day in e-com. I had a 16K day. And then day before, I don't even know, I think it was like a 13K day. So literally hitting my highest days. Before my highest day was like a 12K day. So that's crazy. Hold on, we about to go to this little nice little spot. Little alias, oh my gosh, it's cold as fuck. But shit, fuck it though. We outside with, oh my, yo, I almost just slipped. Nah, I'm tripping. Don't try to get hard on yourself or whatever the fuck the term is. Don't quit, you know what I mean? Just because I found success pretty fast with organic, I mean, not with organic, with paid ads, doesn't mean like you've been trying for a year. It doesn't mean you're not gonna find success, bro. This video should really just be a testament, not to like, oh yeah, he found it fast, I'm gonna quit. Alright, nah, it's too fucking cold. Fuck that shit. This video should be a testament that all it takes is one fucking product, bro. It just takes one winning ad, one winning product for you to fucking hit big and hit numbers that you never even thought you'd make. But I never thought I'd make, starting ecom, I never thought I'd hit a 90K week, you know what I'm saying? So that's literally crazy as shit, bro. And I just want to say that it's possible, bro. Do not quit. And all it takes is one winning product for you to change your life, bro. You know what I mean? Literally a year ago, I was sitting in the cold, bro, having like that cold we just had to run out from. I was fucking running through that shit, barely making 1K, barely hitting 1K days, and recording that dumbass mini phone. If you know, you know. Barely hitting 1K days, going in the cold, having to record. It was a fucking grind. Barely making any money. Literally the worst winter of my life, bro. And now I'm literally just sitting on my ass hitting 10K days. Like, it's insane, bro. And genuinely, bro, do not quit, bro. If you're watching this, bro, do not fucking quit, bro. You are gonna make it. You're gonna print. You're gonna hit your goals, bro. Like I told you guys at the start of the video, bro, my goal was literally 100K a month at the start of the year. And no month, like I didn't really get close to it any month. Like I had a 40K month, but I had like a 40K a month, and then I started getting some momentum, like 30K. But bro, I was not close at all. And like 40K revenue months, not profit. But bro, we just did 100K revenue in a week, 40K profit in a week. You know what I'm saying? So that's literally crazy. My goal. So literally, damn near made 100K a week, and margins good as fuck, like 30, 40 people. I'm not gonna say exactly. We printed, you know what I mean? It's just crazy because, like I said, my goal for the year was literally 100K a month. I wasn't close to that at all for 11 months out of the year, bro. But all it takes is one good fourth quarter, bro. All it takes is one good fourth quarter. Doesn't matter how you perform in the first, second, or third. All it takes is one good fourth quarter to change your life. And that's just the message I want to give you guys for this video, bro. Like, this video is not to flex, you know what I'm saying? Just chase your dreams, bro, because shit, this shit could... All it takes is one day to fucking hit your goals, bro. Like, I did not think I was good. I literally was like looking at my whiteboard and I was like, damn, I really didn't hit any of these bitches. But now, this last month of the year, it's like, damn, I low-key damn near hit all of them. Nah, I'm joking, but I'm really close to a lot of them. You know what I'm saying? Already passed that 100K month. So, like, we're already way up more than 100K this month. And that's just crazy to say, bro, because like I said, bro, I literally wasn't close to that at all this year until this month, you know what I'm saying? So, do not fucking quit. And also, do not fucking quit, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, more content coming soon. Make sure you guys, if you guys didn't do it this year, if you guys didn't lock in this year, 2026 is your year, bro. Gotta lock in, and it's time to fucking print and go even harder, bro. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys next time.